Yo, what's up everybody? So in this video I'll be showing you how to make your kick drums hit harder and have more bass. And I'll be showing you this in FL Studio 20. And if you're using an older version of FL Studio, that's probably fine because the methods I'm going to show you today are basically universal. So let's jump into my computer. Alright, so I just recorded the whole video, but turns out I didn't actually hit record, so here we go again. We're in FL Studio 20 here, and I have chosen some drums here already, so what you gotta do if you've chosen a kick that doesn't seem to hit very hard, then just open this menu. Just gotta double click on your drum and then hit the normalize button here, and that'll make the waveform get bigger and increase the volume. In this case it isn't really because the kick drum was already at a pretty good volume, but that's one way to do it if your kick drum isn't loud enough. And then another way is to come into your settings, you come to envelope, and then you leave all the settings, you just take the attack, turn that down all the way, decay all the way down, sustain all the way down, release all the way down, and then you want to open your mixer, and then, well, first you got to take your drum and then Control L, that sends it to the first open mixer track. And then what you got to do is open plugins, grab yourself Fruity Soft Clipper, take your threshold, turn it all the way up, and then you can open this again, go to wrench tool, take your volume here, turn that up till it's at a good volume. That's pretty good. And then another way is to go to make sure your drum is in the mixer, and then you go to your drum here, you grab yourself Fruity Parametric EQ2, and then you take your one thing here, you turn that all the way down at about 40 some hertz, maybe 30, 35, and you take your bandwidth right here, turn that all the way down, and then you just play and listen, and then adjust it as needed. What this does is it boosts the frequencies right here, which is roughly 74 hertz or so. If you want to turn it up more, you can take your 2 thing here and turn that all the way up, but that gets really crazy. But yeah, right there is pretty good. So I'll just show you a quick beat here just for reference. Alright, so that's it for today. If this video is helpful, make sure to hit the like button, and if you want to keep getting videos like this, then hit the subscribe button. and hit the notification bell to get notified next time I drop a video. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.